Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. We're making braised black cod today. Scrape off the bitter outer layer on an orange. Use 4 to 5 strips of the orange peel. Julienne the orange peel. This will add a beautiful, refreshing citrus taste to the sauce. Rinse and remove the ends of 3 green onion and then cut it into 1-inch pieces. Julienne 3 slices of ginger. Smack and remove the skin on 4 cloves of garlic. Julienne 3 shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use onion. First thing we need to do is fry the fish. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to the wok on high heat, coat the fish with flour, and fry both sides until it's golden. Now it's important to rinse and wash and clean your fish before you do this. I'm using a frozen black cod today, but you can use any frozen saltwater fish that you choose to make this dish. I've also tried this recipe with Pompano fish and it's delicious. Once you get both sides of the fish golden color, set the fish aside. Now let's make the braising sauce. Add the garlic and shallots or onions to the wok with oil on high heat. Sauté to release the flavor from the garlic and the shallots onto the oil. Now add the ginger and sauté. Add the fried fish to the wok. Add 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and a pinch of black pepper. Add your orange peel. Then add 1 cup of water. Cover and simmer on low heat. Remember to flip the fish so that we get that braising sauce on the entire fish. Add the green onion, cover and simmer until the green onion wilts. Flip the fish and set the fish on the serving plate. Reduce the sauce and drizzle it on top of the fish. Now this dish tastes absolutely delicious with a fresh bowl of steamed rice. I hope you get a chance to try out this braising sauce. The reason I like to use black cod and pompano is that it doesn't have a lot of bones and it's easy to eat. I love hearing from my viewers, so please leave me a comment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.